Features of OnePlus Foldable Phone. The OnePlus Foldable Phone, rumored to be called the OnePlus Open, is expected to have the following features. Foldable display. The OnePlus Open is expected to have a book-style form factor with a foldable display on the inside and a cover display on the outside. Both displays are rumored to be AMOLED panels with a 120Hz refresh rate. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. The OnePlus Open is expected to be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is one of the most powerful mobile processors on the market. 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The OnePlus Open is rumored to come with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, which is plenty of power and storage for even the most demanding users. Triple lens rear camera system. The OnePlus Open is expected to have a triple-lens rear camera system with a 48MP primary sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 64MP telephoto sensor. The main sensor is rumored to be the same as the one used in the OnePlus 11, so you can expect excellent photo quality. Dual-lens front-facing camera system. The OnePlus Open is rumored to have a dual-lens front-facing camera system with a 32MP main sensor and a 20MP ultra-wide sensor. This will allow you to take high-quality selfies and group photos, even in low-light conditions. 4,800 mAh battery with 67W fast charging. The OnePlus Open is rumored to have a 4,800 mAh battery with 67W fast charging. This will give you plenty of battery life to get through a full day of use, and you'll be able to charge your phone quickly when you need to. In addition to the above features, the OnePlus Open is also rumored to have a number of other features, such as a fingerprint sensor on the side, a 5G modem, and a stereo speaker system. It's important to note that these are just rumors and the actual specs of the OnePlus Open may be different. However, if these rumors are accurate, then the OnePlus Open is shaping up to be a very impressive foldable phone.